Hey everyone! If you love those quick, cozy desserts that feel like a warm hug in a mug, this one's for you. Today, we're making a soft, buttery, and eggless mug cake that comes together in just 1 minute. No oven, no mess, just pure comfort in your favorite cup. Let's make it together. In a large microwave-safe mug, start by adding 1 tablespoon of softened unsalted butter and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Using a spoon, cream them together until the mixture turns light and fluffy. That's the secret to a soft and tender cake texture. Now add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This gives your cake its soft, fluffy base. And a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder to help it rise perfectly in the microwave. Gently fold it in, just until the dry ingredients disappear. Don't overmix. That's how you keep the crumb light and tender. Next, pour in 4 tablespoons of warm milk. Make sure the milk is not hot, just warm to touch. And add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir until smooth and lump-free, making sure to scrape the sides and bottom of the mug so every bit of flour mixes in perfectly. Microwave your cake on high for about 60 seconds, depending upon your microwave wattage. Now, while our cake cools slightly, let's whip up a quick cream cheese frosting. In a small bowl, add 1½ tablespoons of softened cream cheese and 1 tablespoon of softened butter. Beat them together until creamy and smooth. Add 2½ tablespoons of powdered sugar and a few drops of vanilla extract. Mix again until light and fluffy. That's your perfectly smooth frosting. Once your mug cake has cooled, spread or pipe the frosting right on top. You can even add a dusting of powdered sugar, a drizzle of honey, or a spoon of jam for a little extra sweetness. And there you go, your 1-minute eggless butter mug cake. Soft, buttery, and so satisfying. It's a quick dessert that feels homemade every time. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats, because dessert shouldn't be complicated.